Welcome to the second module of this Nano on AR and VR. This is the longest module in the course by far because we talk about the potential impact of these technologies. As we saw in the previous module, this is bound to become the new computing platform. And so it's obvious that it will be applied across the value chain of each and every company and across industries over time. There are three major insights I want you to take away from this module. The first one is what are the strategic capabilities of these technologies? And this comes from a very interesting article from Professor Michael Porter, one of the gurus of strategic management, and Jim Heckman, the CEO of PTC, which is one of the leading AR companies in the world based in Boston. There is a link to the article, which I encourage you to read, although it's not required. But the core capabilities that they identify are four. The first one is XR interfaces allow humans to visualize digital data in an entirely new way. Partly thanks to this, we will be able to receive instruction and guidance in real time in an entirely new way. The third key capability is that XR technologies will allow us to interact with machines and digital data in an entirely new way. And the last one is that this technology, and particularly VR, allows us to simulate worlds that are not actual yet, so solutions, buildings, machineries. These four capabilities, and that's the first major insight, allow XR technologies to create value across the value chain. That's the second big insight. You can deploy them to create value anywhere from research and development to after-sales services. So that's the second big insight from this module. And the third one is that because you can apply these XR technologies across the value chain, they can create efficiencies pretty much in every industry you can imagine. And this module will give you a broad overview of ways in which these technologies are already being deployed in entertainment, in education, in medicine, and real estate, and retail, and you name it. So as we said, this is a very long module, but it will give you a very deep and comprehensive understanding of the value created by XR technologies.